A SpaceX Falcon Heavy Rocket will launch the Arabsat 6A communications satellite from Kennedy Space Center's historic Launch Pad 39A. Liftoff window begins at 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 22:35 Greenwich Mean Time. 3 Falcon 9 boosters strapped together, the behemoth will lift off from historic Pad 39A here at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. The upcoming mission, dubbed Arabsat 6A, will launch a large communications satellite for Saudi Arabian corporation Arabsat. Built by Lockheed Martin, the satellite is an advanced commercial communication satellite designed to provide internet and communication services to residents of the Middle East, Africa and parts of Europe. If all goes according to plan, the two side boosters will touch down in unison on their designated landing pad at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, while the central booster will land at sea on one of the company's 2 drone ships. Falcon Heavy is the most powerful rocket flying today, but it has only one space flight under its belt so far. The reusable rocket first launched on February 6, 2018. Ferring Elon Musk's cherry red Tesla Roadster. Fetching a price between $90 million and $150 million per launch, Falcon Heavy has already been certified by the U.S. Air Force to fly national security payloads.
Now we are going to see the NASA rocket launch video footage.
Minutes, 15 seconds.
Vehicle's flight pressures.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,